Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is NodeJS or NPM and how to install it, that is NodeJS, on your Mac operating systems. So first of all, what is NodeJS? NodeJS is a JavaScript based environment which you can use to create web servers and network applications. You can also use it to perform helpful tasks you can on your computer, such as concatenating and minifying JavaScript files and compiling SAS files into CSS, as we are going to see later on in this course. NPM, which is the Node Package Manager, makes installing Node packages fast and easy. So that's the role of NPM. So NPM and Node.js works together. They work together. So that's the definition about. That's how we can say about Node.js. Again, Node.js is an entire course. So we are going to see that later on in this channel. We are going to develop and see how to create web servers with Node.js, and then how to install Node.js on your Mac operating systems. Installation is pretty forward of Node.js is pretty straightforward using homebrew. So homebrew handles downloading, unpacking and installing Node and NPM on your system. The whole process, after you have homebrew installed, it should take only few minutes to install NPM and Node on your operating system. So if you don't know how to install homebrew, please check the link below in the description of this video on how to install homebrew. So once that's okay, it's very straightforward. Just open your Mac terminal and then enter brew space update. This update homebrew with a list of the latest version of Node, and then type brew install Node. Yeah, that's okay. So sit back and wait. Homebrew has to download some files and install them, but that is it. That's all about how to set up Node.js on Mac. So to test it, just open your Mac terminal and then enter node space -v. It's going to return you back the version of Node that is installed on your Mac operating system, and also enter npm space -v to check the version of NPM that has been installed on your Mac operating system. So as you install Node, it comes with NPM automatically since it's the Node Package Manager. So no need to install NPM itself. When you install Node, it directly comes with NPM. Hope you enjoy, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next. Bye.